You can never create good health by talking or thinking about illness. Good health comes from love and appreciation. Put as much love in your body as you possibly can. Talk to it in loving ways. Listen to its messages. Feed it nourishing food and move it in ways that feel good. The body, like everything else in life, is a mirror of our inner thoughts and beliefs. Let us do some affirmations for vibrant health and well-being. Listen to the affirmations. Allow it to reach to your heart. And in your mind, you can repeat the affirmations after me, knowing and believing that every word is true for you. I deserve good health. My body is functioning in perfect harmony. I listen with love to all my body's messages. My body heals rapidly. I am filled with energy and enthusiasm. I release all fears and all limitations. I release all pain, anger, resentment, shame that I might be holding in my body. I am grateful for my healthy body. I am grateful for my perfect healing. All that I need for my healing comes to me with ease. I allow life and vitality to flow through me. I relax every cell, every muscle, every organ, knowing that it is working in perfect harmony. I go within and connect with that part of myself that knows how to heal. I fill my mind with loving thoughts, and it reflects in my radiant health. I am constantly discovering new ways to improve my health. I am gentle with my body. I exercise it and move it in ways that feels good. I enjoy taking care of my body. Today I give myself the permission to be well, to be healthy. I feed my body lovingly with nourishing food. I make healthy choices for my body. I have the perfect body. I am healthy, whole, and complete. All is well in my world. All is well in my body. Focusing on your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out. Knowing and believing that every word is true for you. Staying in deep connection with your body. Knowing that you are healthy, whole, and complete. Gently stretch your body. If you can, give yourself a warm hug. Feeling a deep sense of gratitude for this amazing body. Thank you.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening and see you very soon.